I see the cat playing our part perfectly.
What?
Come on, Bruce. Did you really think she liked you? You were merely a plaything, a toy. Does this make you angry? Well, does it? Do you really think brute force will work against me? Oh, Batman, do you really think that using cheap tricks on me will work? We are both initiated. Now come here.